Welcome to our channel. 10 easy fixes for Rockspace Wi-Fi repeater not working. Check power supply. First, make sure the Rockspace repeater is properly plugged into a working power outlet and the power LED is lit. If the light is off, try using a different socket or adapter. Restart the device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix many minor issues. Unplug the repeater from power, wait for 10 to 15 seconds, and then plug it back in. Check router connection. The repeater will only work if it's receiving a good signal from your main Wi-Fi router. Make sure your router is working properly and providing internet. Reset the repeater. If the repeater is not connecting properly, use a small pin to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until the LED blinks. Then, reconfigure it from scratch. Reconfigure using WPS or web setup. Try setting up the repeater again using the WPS button on both your router and repeater, or by manually configuring it through its IP address in a web browser. Check signal strength. Place the repeater in a location where it receives a stable signal from the router, neither too close nor too far. Midway between the router and weak zone is usually ideal. Reduce signal interference. Keep the repeater away from thick walls, metal surfaces, or electronic devices like TVs and microwaves that may block or weaken the Wi-Fi signal. Update the firmware. Visit the official Rockspace website and check if there is a firmware update available for your repeater model. Install it to improve performance and fix bugs. Check for IP conflicts. Sometimes, IP address conflicts between the router and repeater can cause connectivity issues. Resetting the repeater can help assign a fresh IP address. Use mobile app or contact support. You can also configure the Rockspace repeater using its mobile app for easier setup. If the issue still isn't resolved, contact Rockspace customer support for further help. Thank you for watching.